Hi everyone, how was my last tutorial part about the months in the German language? Do write your opinions in the comment section. Now let's have a look at the seasons of a year. So moving on, so there are typically 4 seasons in a year. One season is die Jahreszeit. And die Jahreszeit is made up of two nouns, das Jahr or die Jahre, which is the plural if you put an E at the end, as you can see in this noun. Das Jahr or die Jahre, and die Zeit, which is the time. So the season is the time of the year, any time of the year. So if it is Frühling, it is the spring season. And the way to remember this season, Frühling, is by the word früh, which comes in the beginning of this word. And früh means early. And it can be used to remember that spring is an early season. Then we have Sommer, which is summer. So it is not very differently written compared to the English language, but of course pronounced Sommer. So in Frühling we have März, April, Mai as the month, and in summer we have Juni, Juli, and August. Then in autumn, which is Herbst, we have once again 3 months: September, October, and November. And then we have winter, is written as in the English language and pronounced in the German language almost similarly. And winter has 3 months once again: Dezember, Januar, and Februar. And do note that before every season we will use im to mean in that season. And if you remember from my previous tutorial parts, I showed you that im is the short form of the German preposition in plus a definite article den. So as we use im before months in the German language, we will use im before every season as well. Also note that all days of the week, months of the year, and seasons are masculine in gender in the German language. Now, isn't that interesting? This fact is also true for the German day, Mittwoch. even though if you remember from my first tutorial part, Mittwoch is made up of two nouns, die Mitte and die Woche, the middle, the week. And I showed you that the E is removed from this word and from Woche, and it becomes Mittwoch. And I've also told you that the compound nouns in the German language will have the definite article, which will be the definite article of the last noun in the compound noun. So, theoretically, the article for this day should be die Mittwoch. But do note that Mittwoch is after all a day, and a day in German is der Tag. So therefore, Mittwoch will have the article der like all other days as well. That was all for today. Any questions related to this entire tutorial, you can ask in the comment section. Please like and comment on my videos and continue watching the tutorials. Also do note that my channel's name has changed from German Tutorials by Rabia to German Tutorials for Beginners. After all, learners are always the focus of any teacher, and so this channel is for you learners. So do not forget to subscribe to German Tutorials for Beginners. Thank you.